The 1970 Volkswagen Beetle is more than a car, it's a symbol of a generation, a timeless icon that captured hearts across the world. Welcome to Luxurious Car Info, where today we'll take a detailed look at the 1970 Volkswagen Beetle, exploring its distinctive exterior design, how it performs on the road, and a short but rich look at its simple yet charming interior. The first thing that makes the 1970 Beetle unforgettable is its shape. That rounded, instantly recognizable body has stood the test of time. The 1970 model carried forward the classic silhouette that made the Beetle famous, yet it came with a few subtle improvements. The curvy fenders, dome-shaped roof, and smoothly flowing lines create a unique aesthetic that feels friendly and approachable even today. Its small size and compact proportions give it a playful character, something that modern cars often try but rarely achieve naturally. At the front, the Beetle wears its signature rounded headlights, which were still mounted upright in 1970, surrounded by polished chrome bezels. The gentle slope of the front hood, often called the frunk, since it hides the spare tire and storage, gives it that unmistakable bug-like look that inspired its name. Chrome detailing continues along the front bumper, accented by those simple yet elegant horizontal bars that add a touch of shine to its face. The VW badge sits proudly in the center, representing the German engineering behind this globally loved car. From the side, the 1970 Beetle maintains its symmetrical beauty. The flowing curvature from the roofline down to the rear is smooth and uninterrupted, reflecting Volkswagen's focus on simple and functional design. The chrome window frames, narrow pillars, and rounded mirrors give it an extra dash of charm. The small 15-inch steel wheels, dressed in classic chrome hubcaps with the VW logo, complete the car's retro look. The Beetle's proportions make it stand out even today, compact yet perfectly balanced, practical yet absolutely iconic. At the back, the Beetle's design is perhaps its most famous angle. The rounded rear end, slightly raised engine cover, and distinctive oval taillights define its personality. In 1970, Volkswagen updated the rear lights slightly for better visibility while keeping the original styling intact. The rear chrome bumper mirrors the front, and the air vents on the engine lid remind you that this little car hides something special, a rear-mounted, air-cooled engine that made the Beetle so unique. Under the hood, or more precisely, in the back, lies a 1.6-liter flat-4 engine, producing about 57 horsepower. Now, that might not sound like much, but for its time and size, it was just right. The Beetle's lightweight construction allowed it to move briskly through city traffic and cruise comfortably on highways. The engine's air-cooled nature meant it didn't require a traditional radiator, which simplified maintenance and made it incredibly reliable, even in hot climates. It produced a distinct humming sound that Beetle fans know and love, a mechanical heartbeat that feels almost alive. The 4-speed manual gearbox gives the car a direct and engaging driving experience. The Beetle wasn't designed for high performance or speed, instead, it was built for dependability, comfort, and everyday usability. Its top speed of around 80 miles per hour was modest, but its smooth ride and easy handling made it a favorite for both beginners and experienced drivers. The suspension setup with torsion bars offered surprising stability and comfort for a small car, absorbing bumps and uneven roads with ease. Driving the 1970 Beetle feels simple yet deeply satisfying. It's light on its feet, easy to maneuver, and gives you a genuine connection to the road. Every gear, shift, every turn of the wheel reminds you of the era when cars had soul, when driving was about feeling rather than just numbers. Step inside, and the simplicity continues in the best possible way. The interior is minimalist but full of charm. The dashboard is flat and painted in the same color as the body, featuring a single round speedometer right in the center. The controls are basic but intuitive, with simple knobs for the lights and ventilation. The steering wheel is large and thin, giving drivers a vintage tactile feel. The seats are surprisingly comfortable for their age, with well-padded cushions and vinyl upholstery that matches the car's classic aesthetic. Space-wise, the Beetle may be compact, but it offers good headroom thanks to its dome-like roof design. The rear seats fold down, offering additional cargo space when needed, a thoughtful touch that added to its practicality. Overall, the 1970 Volkswagen Beetle represents a perfect balance between simplicity, reliability, and emotional design. It's a car that doesn't rely on luxury or technology to impress. Instead, it wins your heart with personality and authenticity. The Beetle's legacy continues even today, but the 1970 model remains one of the most beloved versions ever made. It's a rolling piece of history, one that reminds us how timeless design and honest engineering can make a car truly unforgettable. Thanks for watching Luxurious Car Info. If you love classic cars with stories to tell and timeless beauty, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more automotive legends brought back to life.